She runs every morning. She runs every morning. She runs every morning. They run a marathon. They run a marathon. They run a marathon. Can you run fast? Can you run fast? Can you run fast? They moved to a new house. They moved to a new house. They moved to a new house. He moves slowly. He moves slowly. He moves slowly. Can we move the date? Can we move the date? Can we move the date? She likes reading. She likes reading. She likes reading. He likes cycling. He likes cycling. He likes cycling. What do you like? What do you like? What do you like? She holds her cat. She holds her cat. She holds her cat. I am holding a candle. I am holding a candle. I am holding a candle. Who is holding the flowers? Who is holding the flowers? Who is holding the flowers? We bring our lunch to school. We bring our lunch to school. We bring our lunch to school. Please bring your toys. Please bring your toys. Please bring your toys. Did you bring some gifts? Did you bring some gifts? Did you bring some gifts? Accidents happen. Accidents happen. Accidents happen. It happened again. It happened again. It happened again. What happens next? What happens next? What happens next? I write emails. I write emails. I write emails. He writes stories. He writes stories. He writes stories. Can you write your name? Can you write your name? Can you write your name? I give information. I give information. I give information. They give support to one another. They give support to one another. They give support to one another. Can you give them food? Can you give them food? Can you give them food? I do the dishes. I do the dishes. I do the dishes. He does his homework every day. He does his homework every day. He does his homework every day. What did you do today? What did you do today? What did you do today? She says hello. She says hello. She says hello. He says he is sleepy. He says he is sleepy. He says he is sleepy. What did you say? What did you say? What did you say? I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. He goes to the gym. He goes to the gym. He goes to the gym. Do you go to school? Do you go to school? Do you go to school? I sing a song. I sing a song. I sing a song. She sings aloud. She sings aloud. She sings aloud. Do you like singing? Do you like singing? Do you like singing? He knows the answer. He knows the answer. He knows the answer. I know that man. I know that man. I know that man. Do you know the way? Do you know the way? Do you know the way? I work from home. I work from home. I work from home. She works in a hospital. She works in a hospital. She works in a hospital. Where do you work? Where do you work? Where do you work?